church in Bronx, New York. 125-year-old one. I decided to renovate because nobody wants to do anything for this. It's abandoned. And then all the church members are dying out one by one. Then I was walking by, I live nearby, so I said, okay, let me do something for this beautiful place. I don't want it to be shut down, so I promised the pastor that I'll clean all this and give it a beautiful look. So at least then the new generation people will come and start attending the church, So this is where I cleaned yesterday. It was like a little jungle. I'm coming.
Thank you so much today already.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so
I'll
much.
wait for a few more minutes and see what I can do. Right. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you. So this is a beautiful place. It's all I promised to. Cut and clean. I did all these things yesterday. But unfortunately, today being it's a rainy day, they didn't have the equipment. So I came. But they don't have anything, so I may go back. Well, I will not work tomorrow. Whenever I can, I do charity and do all the work. So I'll make it clean and nice. So see, I have to clean all this part, all this area I promised. Whenever I can, though I'm not a Christian, I can't see such a beautiful monumental structure be abandoned, isolated, destroyed, or ruined, irrespective of its glorious past. I did the same thing in India. One ancient temple was sitting on top of the hill, loaded with lots of bats and rats and wild animals. So when I was small, like 13 or 14 years of age, we used to go into the temple and drove away all the bats with lanterns and kerosene lamps. Me and my little brother with the broomsticks, we cleaned it and all the litter of these bloody animals. This is all I need to take care. So eventually, after 30 years, I went to the temple. Now it is actually painted very well and they have prayers and offerings there. So that has been built by some kings in 16th or 15th century. Thank God for our efforts. Now it's a booming temple in Anantapur district, Guti, on the hilltop. So this is the place. Same way, if I start here, this will get back its, I'm hoping. After all, it takes few hours of my time. But again, the pastor himself started cutting down some of these branches. And then I'll clean all this yard, all this dirty place. And then they start coming one by one, I cannot do everything, but I initiated. Hopefully this, they said that land belongs to these same people. So this is it. You see how beautiful this church is. It tells history, It's all about history, what we were, our ancestors were, passed through generations. Thank you very much for looking at my beautiful video. I like this type of structures. If I had any authority or power or finances, you don't know how much I would have done to restore many beautiful structures all over the world, Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.